Welcome to Electro. This is Sam. First of all, thank you for your love and support for my previous video. Here I am with a new interesting video. You might be noticed your Windows 7, the older machines are very slow right now. So how to fast up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fast up your old Windows 7 PCs or your laptop. Let's have a look. So here first we will delete some temporary file which is not in use for us right now. So what we do, Window R you can give in the keyboard. Here you can type temp, then give enter. Files are temporarily used by system, not by you. So you should not open this files. You can directly select all and delete. Now you can see here the path. It's a computer, then C drive, that is the reason it's an administrative path, and Windows and the temp. It's a Windows used temporary files. So we're gonna delete this first. So Control A to select all. So you can see that all the files are selected. I will give Shift Delete. So I give continue. It's cleared completely. So now this is clear. I'm not gonna close this window so you can find what is the difference between next command. Here the same command temp, but I will add %. So here, see, this is also a temp file. You can see the app data. This is used by some applications which you used. So this is also a temporary file, which is a user called Sam is used this application, and this softwares generated some temporary file. So I don't want this either. So select Control A, select all, Shift Delete. Now it's not allowing me to delete this, so I can't delete this file. It's already in use, so just skip it, no issues. Let it go. Okay, so rest all are deleted. This cam recording, already I'm recording the screen through this application. That's the reason it is running background. Okay, so leave it off. Now I can close this too. Here, and next command is prefetch, prefetch. So this command also take you to some of the temporary files which we are going to delete. So here I deleted. Okay, that also deleted. Next is recent. This is the recent opened application. Will create a shortcut of all the application recently you opened. So these are the shortcuts available. So this also not required for us now. So deleted. Don't open that. It will directly open the local file. You may lose your file if you open the recent icons, because those are shortcut icons. So I cleared everything. Now I have my computer. You can get it somewhere here. I have desktop icon. So you might be having like this. So I'll get you that such way. here my computer, you can do the properties. You can go to the my computer properties, then go to advanced settings, then go to advanced settings. In that you can see the performance, so we'll go to the performance settings. Okay, you can use every animation, everything is enabled here. You can see that here, right? So here you can take this. Okay, you can take this best performance. You can see that everything got unchecked. That means all this whatever enabled till now in your system, it's causing your performance. So here we are going to boost up the performance the way we are removing this. But if you give apply right now, it will be like all the graphics will be disabled, so you don't be liking it such way, like the window color will go, this transparent effect won't be there, so it won't be look good. So we'll do a little tweak, so that won't affect much your performance. So I will tell you what is better. The last, come to scroll down and take the last two checks. After that, one more at the edge of the screen fonts. Okay, these two, apply it and feel there is a graphic change. Give OK. Okay, now you just see how fast the windows opens. You just check. See? See? So I hope you will be having the same experience, and if you have any doubt, any difficulty in between you are doing this process, please query in the comment box. I will definitely help you as much as I can do. Alright, let's do one more settings. We'll go directly again to the start, then run. Okay, we'll type ms config, open it. Here you will get the normal startup. Okay, let it be. Boot, you just make it 3 minutes. Go to startup. Here you can see what and all application gonna start up in background once you logging in. Okay, so unnecessary applications you can remove it, which is not required. If you're a CD writer, you don't need that to run in background, right? So what we do, we'll remove the unnecessary applications start up in background of operating system. So better. Now here we can find out which is required, which is not required for us. Here you can see it's Intel. Okay, it's a wireless driver which is running behind. I required that, you can see that. So here I don't think Adobe update should be running background, so I'll remove this. And this is from the Microsoft Corporation, so let it be there, because we don't know whether it is used for the application or else it's used for the OS required. So whatever third party, whatever you installed, I didn't install much things in this, so I can't show you much, but in your system I'm sure that there will be a lot of applications. So remove the applications which are not, like it's a third party application you have installed and it's running behind and you never use that. So remove that and give apply. Okay, then give OK. It will ask you for the restart. Okay, you have to restart, then it will get more effective over there, but right now I can't do that, so I am giving without restart. Okay, so this many things if you do, you'll get a better performance. I hope So this video is helping you. So please let me know if you face any issues while doing this. Please comment it down the comment box.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope this will be helpful for you. If you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell button for the latest update in the notification.